Hey guys, it's Sacred Guardian back in action with another video. This one is a tutorial one. We're going to be showing you exactly how to go about linking your Amazon Prime and your Twitch Prime. You'll need an Amazon Prime account and a Twitch account. And without further ado, let's get into it. So this part is to show you exactly how to make a new Twitch account. So what you'll want to do is you will go to twitch.tv. You'll type that in your internet browser bar. And once it loads up, you'll see a screen that looks just like this. And in the upper right-hand corner of that screen, you will see the word sign up and a purple button. You click that. And once that loads, you'll see a menu pop up. You'll need to come up with a username that is specific to yourself, something that you won't forget, and an associated password for that. And don't forget your sign-on stuff because you'll have to do this possibly a few times in the process. And once you get your information filled out to the best of your knowledge, you'll have to have an email that you link with this account. Then it will ask you if you're a robot. You click, I am not a robot. And then you hit the sign up button. And bam, you are signed up. Okay guys, so here is, you have already subscribed, or you have already went to Amazon Prime and signed up for that. So now what you need to do is you need to go to this website right here. https://twitch.amazon.com/prime. And then once you're here on this site, you will see Twitch Prime on the right hand side. You'll scroll down just a little bit and you will see a little purple link down here that says connect your Twitch account. And then once you click that, you'll come to a site that looks just like this. It will say link Twitch account, and you can then say who you are. At this point, you'll be logging in with your Twitch account, and you hit confirm, and then it says, you got it, boss, let's do this. And that's that simple right there. You've already linked your accounts, so now we need to go into how to do your free subscription. Okay, so now if you're trying to use your free subscription, the easiest way that we have found this to do, and about the only way that we've found to do it that's not super confusing, is to go to a PC, a Mac, some type of computer, and not like a mobile device. Seems like there's not the same exact options. So what you want to do, you go to twitch.tv. Once you do that, you log into your twitch.tv account. Then you want to search for the person that is you are wanting to give your free subscription to. Now, once you have gotten to the subscription page that you would like to see, if they are a Twitch affiliate or a Twitch partner, they will have what is called a subscribe button in the upper right-hand corner. Usually right above their offline screen, or if they're live streaming like that, it will be right here in this area. It'll be a purple button and it will say subscribe. You hit the down arrow, then you'll get a drop-down mix, and it will say subscribe free, and it's got the little Twitch Prime logo of the crown. You'll click that, and you've just subscribed to your favorite person for free using your Twitch Prime. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, as always, it's not how many you kill, it's how many you save.